Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. I'm going to get straight to it. Today, I'm going to be preparing Hungarian mushroom soup. This is one of my favorites. So let's get straight to the mise en place. We're going to be starting off with some butter, which I'll saute about an onion and a half. A lot of onions in mushroom soup. Garlic. Of course, mushrooms. And we're moving on to some chicken stock. Hungarian paprika. Some dried dill. Just a splash or two of soy sauce. Fresh parsley. Then I'm going to be making a slurry with whole milk and all-purpose flour. Then I'll be adding some sour cream and just a splash or two of lemon juice. Okay, as you can see, the butter's doing its thing by melting. I'm going to add the onions. And we're going to saute them and cook them down for about 5 minutes by trying to not add any color. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, okay, it's been several minutes and the onions are ready. So we're going to add the garlic. And we're just kind of cook them with the onions for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add the ever important mushrooms. And we're going to saute these for about 5 minutes. All right, the mushrooms have done their thing with the onions. So we're going to add the chicken stock. The Hungarian paprika. The dried dill, a little bit of soy sauce, and some fresh parsley. And we're going to add a little more salt, just another layer, just a real quick layer, and a little bit more black pepper, not too much. Get everything nice and stirred in. Bring up the heat a little bit. Smells yummy. So I'm kind of bringing this up to a slight boil. And then what I'm going to do is drop the heat down to low, add a lid, and we're going to simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, while we were away, I did a step which I added to the soup the milk and flour slurry and cooked it on simmer, try to get as lowest heat as possible, and simmered that for about 15 minutes. And this is what it looks like. Nice and creamy. Now, we're going to add about a quarter cup of sour cream. And a splash of lemon juice. We want to do this on low again. We don't want this to boil because there's a possibility of the soup curdling. That would be the sour cream. So we're just going to heat this through for about 3 to 5 minutes. So here's the finished Hungarian mushroom soup in the saucepan. And let's finish it up. Okay, want to put the wonderful soup in the bowl. I'm just going to garnish it with some fresh parsley. And earlier, during my prep, I sauteed some mushroom halves. So there's tonight's Hungarian mushroom soup. I hope you enjoyed this cooking demo with the Hungarian mushroom soup. This recipe and many more are located on my website. Also, you can find my cookbooks, wonderful culinary t-shirts, and my international urban spice blends. Just follow the website link that's in this post or at the bottom of the screen. On this day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.